Hi, welcome to my Math 2 course. I'm Mrs. Johan. I'm so excited that you were able to find the syllabus and find this recording so that I can kind of walk you through how to use our class website. So this is your course page. This is your home page. And on this page, you can find your grade. Don't worry about progress so much, and you can find how many assignments you have overdue. This number is not always accurate, so I'll show you another place where you can see those. You can also find class announcements, and you can also find your class plan. Make sure that this is clicked on, this little drop-down menu, because this allows you to see what is due for today. So that's very important. And then if you click on class plan, and it's just going to take a little bit to load here. If you click on class plan, it's really cool because it gives you like an agenda. It gives you a day-to-day list. You can go day, week, month, or a list, and you can see what you need to do. So all these times here, these are for due when assignments are due. So you can see what assignments are due on what day. You can go forward, you can go backwards, you can look at the whole month at a time. There's lots of different options. You also have the option of going to content. Let me get that loaded. So here is another way, if you go to your course schedule, this is another way to see past due assignments, so overdue assignments. You're going to have a list. Now, some assignments aren't linked so that as soon as you finish them, they take off that overdue thing. There will be some that I need to keep a due date on, but will still show up in your overdue because I haven't figured out how to change that for assignments that aren't quizzes. So if your learning coach is concerned about it, you can show them your grade, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second so that you can say, I have done this. Here's your table of contents. This is a really cool spot to find everything in your course. You can find the recordings, you can find which unit we're working on. If you click on these, you'll be able to see the assignments, and that's pretty cool. But I'm going to show you the best way to find out what missing assignments you have and what assignments you need to do. So in the grade book, you have your points. So this is how many points you have, and this is how many points it's out of. So, and then this is your letter grade. So this is kind of how we figure out that letter grade. And that grading is in the syllabus. And if you have a 0 on a grade, that means that I don't have it from you. So that means that that is a missing assignment. When there is a 0 there, that is a missing assignment. I put in zeros and I do all my grading by the end of Monday. And I do my grading once a week. So give me a little bit of time to put in grades. Quizzes are graded automatically. There are some things that I have to grade by hand. But say you wanted to do this missing assignment. If you click here, this is going to be the assignment right here. And if you click here, these are the accompanying recordings. Sometimes there's going to be one. Sometimes if there's two parts, like we went over into the next day, there's going to be two. Make sure you watch the recordings so that you know how to do the assignments. Now, let's say you didn't like your grade on something and you wanted to pick it up. Like you didn't want a D- on that. You knew you could do better on that. So what I would want you to do is I would want you to come over here, click on the assignment, click on the recordings. And for this one, it has a special, so here's the assignment, here's the recording, but this has a special instruction on it. This is not graded automatically, so I would want you to email me when you've completed this exit ticket so that I can make sure that I grade that. If there's a line through it, it means it has not been graded yet. If it's a quiz, it's graded automatically and you will have a score for it. So this would be a past due assignment. Okay, let's see. I think we have everything. I'm so glad you're a part of my class. We have so much fun, and I'm so glad that you get to add to that. So I will see you later. If you have any questions, please email me. You can set up a link on the syllabus to meet with me one-on-one. I love questions. So please, if you have any questions, ask me. Okay, and I'll see you in class. Bye.